Now second question, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This is a quadratic polynomial where biggest power of a variable is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Now draw the graph of this quadratic polynomial. You know that in standard 9 to draw the graph, that means we need the value of x and y. We need the value of x and y coordinates. So put the different values of x in this equation. Put the different values of x in these equations. So the values of x is a x coordinate. The values of x is an x coordinate, and the answer by putting the values of x, and the answer what we get by putting the value of x in this equation, we will get y coordinate. The answer is a y coordinate. Okay, so now take some examples. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This is the equation which is given. Put the value of x is equal to 4. We can take any value. We can take any value of x. Okay, so now put x is equal to 4. So p, here the value of x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Square is as it is, minus 3. The value of x is equal to 4 minus 4. So 4 square is equal to 16. 3 4 is 12 minus 4. So 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. The answer is a y coordinate. The value we put x is equal to 4. This is x coordinate. The value of x is a x coordinate which is 4, and the answer we get is a y coordinate. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Now take another value. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, where put x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 square minus 3. The value of x is minus 1. Minus 4 is as it is. Here minus number, the power is even number 2. 2 is a even number. So when power is even number, on a negative number, the answer is plus, positive. So minus 1 square plus, minus multiply minus, we will get plus, minus 3 minus 1 multiply 3 minus 4. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So the answer we get is a y coordinate. So this is a y coordinate, and the value of x is minus 1. So x is a x coordinate is minus 1, and the y coordinate is a 0. Now take some other value. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now take x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 square minus sign 3. The value of x is 5 minus 4. Square of 5 is 25. 3 5s are 15 minus 4. 25 minus 15, we will get 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is the answer. The answer is a y coordinate which is 6, y coordinate, and the value of x is x coordinate. So here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 6. Now take the fourth value of x. Put x is equal to minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Here x is equal to minus 2. Here the value of x is minus 2. Even power on negative number, answer is plus. 2 square is 4, and multiplication of minus 3 and minus 2, product of two negative numbers is plus, positive number, it is 6 minus 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. But the simplest way is that plus 4 and minus 4 will be cut. So answer is 6. This is the answer, that is the y coordinate is 6, and the value of x is a x coordinate minus 2. So here we get 4 values, 4 coordinates, 4 points, 4 0, minus 1 0, and 5 6, and minus 2 6. Now we want to draw the graph. Here the graph is given. This is the graph. we take 4 values. One is -1, 0, -2, 6, second point, third is 5, 6, and fourth is 4, 0. So this is the graph of a quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. This is a quadratic polynomial. The graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. This is the shape. This shape is parabola shape. Here see x square. The coefficient of x square is plus. The coefficient of x square is plus here, x square. The value of the coefficient of x square is 1 here, plus 1. It is positive sign. So if a means the coefficient of x square. See this one. This is the standard form. This is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c. So a is the coefficient of x square. And if the coefficient of x square is 1, that is positive. If a is greater than 0, then the shape of parabola is open upward. This is open in upward direction. Suppose the value of a is less than 0, then the graph will be open downward. It is just like this. This is open downward. So this graph will be drawn when a is less than 0. So there are two important rules here. Quadratic polynomial, the graph is parabola. Ax square plus bx plus c is a standard form of quadratic polynomial. Here the coefficient of x square is a. The coefficient of x square is a. If a is greater than 0, then the graph is open upward. Ax square plus bx plus c, in which the coefficient of x square a less than 0. The coefficient of x square a is less than 0, then the graph is open downward. Okay. Now remember also this one. Quadratic polynomial has maximum 2 zeros. Quadratic polynomial has maximum 2 zeros. That means quadratic polynomial has either no zero or 1 0 or 2 0. You cannot get more than 2 zeros of a quadratic polynomial.